Unleash the vacation pro in you. A 5-step guide to a perfect getaway.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to plan the vacation of your dreams in just 5 easy steps. First things first, let's get excited. Before you start planning, make sure you're fully committed to your dream vacation. Decide on your destination and dates, and make sure everyone involved is on board and pumped about the trip. Having a clear goal in mind will keep you focused and motivated. Next up, budgeting. Establishing a budget is key to a stress-free and unforgettable vacation. Determine how much you can afford to spend and allocate funds for travel, accommodation, food, activities, and any other expenses. Now, it's time to choose your adventure. Determine what type of vacation you want to have. Do you want a relaxing beach getaway, an action-packed adventure, or a cultural experience? Understanding what you want to get out of the trip will help you find the perfect fit. Get ready to research. Look at different destinations, accommodations, and activities to find what suits you best. Read reviews, compare prices, and make a list of the options that interest you. And finally, it's time to book your dream vacation. Secure your flights and accommodation, and consider purchasing travel insurance for peace of mind. Now, all that's left to do is relax and look forward to the trip of a lifetime. And there you have it. 5 easy steps to planning the vacation of your dreams. Don't wait, start your journey now and make your vacation dreams a reality. Want more detailed information about vacation planning, purchase, how to plan your vacation in 30 minutes or less on Amazon now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more travel tips and tricks. See you in the next video.